I want to acknowledge the rescue team from Acuña, Mexico that has been here 7 days as of today. This rescue team discovered an elderly man's body and are planning on staying here until everybody is found. These firefighters are experienced and have trained in the worst conditions on the Rio Grande, Mexico border. While in between the city of Kerrville and Centerpoint, we also saw help from South Carolina and Oklahoma Fire Rescue. The question that a lot of us are asking ourselves is, why did so many people not receive the emergency alerts? Why didn't these Texans at least get notified ahead of time to evacuate? The federal government is saying that this is not part of their problem and that states can handle this. Federal government is blaming state government while they are trying to cut disaster relief response agencies. All of this comes as Trump has talks about getting rid of FEMA. This could have been prevented while Texas is sitting on a rainy day fund. Where was President Trump while all of this was going on? He chose golf over action. Meanwhile, the Texas governor is talking football. Texas is one of the biggest and richest states, and they don't have the ability in times of emergency. As of right now, there's 121 dead and 160 still missing. As the water is receding, we're really starting to see what the damages are. Another question that we Texans have is, where were the flood sirens and how prepared were the county officials? People's lives and futures are at stake. This is not a football game. Texas governor doesn't want to investigate because according to him, that's what losers do. There's many people grieving right now. We're praying for the victims and the families. It looks like some tents.